Hey, what's up guys? Gareth here. I just want to kind of say about last weekend. We went on a helicopter ride over the Glasshouse Mountains, and it was like one of the greatest things ever. Like, I don't really think sometimes we tell our friends how much we value or appreciate them, not because of the things they do for us, just because they are who they are. I just wanted to say thank you so much to you, Sam, for last weekend. It was amazing. I never in a million years would have expected it, and I'm so happy we do these adventures together, because you literally have no idea how much they mean to me and how much I enjoy spending time with you. So I just wanted to throw some appreciation at you. Big love. And that also means it's my turn to get you, so look out, boo, because I've got such an epic day planned. Hey Sam.
Hi.
Turn around. Hey, what's up guys? Gareth here. As you can see, I had my haircut yesterday. It's looking all fresh. I'm feeling fresh, boo. I'm feeling fresh. Big shout out to Massimo, my hairdresser, for doing it. He did a great job, as per usual. Anyway, if you watched our last vlog, you'll have seen that we went to the Glasshouse Mountains and we was in a helicopter ride, and it was like insane. I had the best time. I didn't really plug them when I was doing my last vlog, so if you want to know who we went with, it was with Ocean View Helicopters, and it's on the Sunshine Coast, and the guys there are incredible. So that being said, it's my turn to surprise Sam. So I have booked us a half-day quad biking experience in Noosa. We go tomorrow. Bit sketchy really, because I just received a text message to say we have to meet outside this shop, so even when we get there, Sam's not going to know what the hell is going on. But they've sent me a list of questions, so I thought it'd be really cool if I gave her a quick video chat and we asked her these questions. So let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Oh, I blinked. I'm just joking. Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Listen, I just have some things I need to go through with you, ready for tomorrow.
Okay.
I've made a list. Okay, so the first one is you need identification. So you need to bring some ID.
Okay.
You're probably going to drive my car home, so just bring your driving license.
Okay.
Okay. Number 2. You have to wear closed-in shoes, and you have to wear a top that covers your shoulders.
Closed-in shoes and a top that covers my shoulders.
Oh, you need something to secure the GoPro to your chest. It cannot be your arm or your head.
Okay. I've got the chest strap. Yeah.
Okay. The next one is you're not currently pregnant. You cannot.
No, Gareth.
I'm just checking because you can't do this activity if you are. And then you also can't be under the influence of alcohol or any other substances.
Yeah.
Okay, any questions?
That doesn't give me anything.
Well, it does. It gives you quite a bit, really. So we've got to do a 2-hour drive.
Okay.
And that's all I'm telling you.
Are you driving right there, or are we going to split it?
I'm going to drive there. You're going to drive home.
Okay. All right.
And that's all I'm telling you. Yo, good morning, guys. It's vlog day. Sam's just on her way from the shop. She knows she needs to be here before 11 because it's a 2-hour drive, so she should be here any minute. And then we're gonna go, bro. Let's go have a good day. Ooh, Noosa quad biking, here we come. Okay, so Sam is running 16 minutes late. I don't think she realizes we cannot play with time today because we literally have to get there and then we get picked up. So we're 2 hours away. Hopefully there'll be no traffic. But if there is, we're gonna miss the whole event. So, Samantha, she is never ever late. It's usually me. I'm like notoriously bad with timing. And she is not. But today, of all days, when I needed to be on time, she's late. Oh, bro, let's just see what happens, hey? Okay. Where are you, Sam? Oh, God. I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to be late. Where is she? Oh, God. Oh my God, she's here at the speed of light. Get in the car! She's so late. She's so late. Thank God she's here though. Jesus. Hey guys, quickest vlog introduction in the world because Sam is a million times late.
I'm sorry.
We need to go. So enjoy the vlog today, guys. I'm sorry if this isn't gonna be perfect. I'm sorry if it's gonna be but we have got no choice. Bye 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 bye. Okay guys, so we are where we need to be. Now we need to wait to be picked up.
No, I need to go to the toilet.
Well, you better go find a loo, but then we're getting picked up in 20 minutes. So you've got 20 minutes.
Okay.
Let's go in that little post office there, see if they've got a loo. Maybe get something to eat.
Yeah.
I'll pay the pay and display. Let's go. Hey Sam.
Hi.
Turn around. We're doing a quad bike through a national park.
No way.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yep. Woohoo! Let's go.
I got a feeling that tonight will be the best night I can feel it. When I see you around, my heart starts to healing. I got a feeling my love tonight's off. If you want to dance, you have to try get it on. Just you and me, forget about the time gone. About the time gone. I have 100 reasons to close your eyes, 100 reasons to make you laugh. I got 100 reasons to, 100 reasons to. I have
Yo, what's up guys? Thanks for visiting my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We're going to be doing lots of these travelling around Australia, and we thought it'd be cool if you came with us. For now, I'm going to be chilling in the Garden of Eden. Oosh. See you soon.